Hello everyone and welcome to my new video, and today I'm going to show you how you can transfer a website name. So for example, from the website which has no page view and the theme, the design doesn't look suitable for animal rescue, to the one which has page view and everything is amazing. So stay tuned and watch the video until the end. In the first step, go to your website dashboard. Here on the appearance, click on the themes. So here is the theme that I am running right now is NameCheap. So here is active, so I can customize it. And here we have like the free theme that comes with the WordPress like 25, 22, etc. So here you can click on the add theme. So here you will find the popular latest blog theme, favorites, etc. So for example, latest theme like this one, so here popular, and here you can just here click on this to avoid this pop-ups message. So you can here, for example, my website is about cat, animal. So here we can like search themes. We can click like pets care, for example. So basically you can find all the themes that fit to your research keyword. So here lots of theme that has cats or animals niche. So for example, let's take a look and discover this one. So here you can, for example, you can check the rating and the version, and here is a theme that will look like that. So here like page about, for example, so but we need to customize later. So what you can do, you just can click on install. So now he is installed, so do not click on activate right now. So here back to the dashboard, and here what we can do, we need to, you can install this amazing plugin, so all-in-one WebP migration. So what we can do here, we can like to do like a backup or export our website. So before we can do another change to transfer or to change the old theme. So here we can click on import. So here you can import form, but before that, so we can export our website. So here export. So here you can export to, just you can select a file. So here we just need to wait until it's 100% completed. So here is completed right now. It's almost 1 GB. So we just can click on download image in chrome.com the data. So we need to wait until it finishes downloadable. So following up the next step, we can also, if you want, you can go to like the plugin Updraft Plus. So you can back your website file, for example, that's necessary as we did with what we export our all website data. So here just another precaution, you can click on backup now. So backup your website data. So click on the backup and wait until it finishes. Okay, so here is the new version of my website image in Chrome. before doing some of customization. So yeah, I need to delete some of page and some of not necessary pictures. So just a demo of the theme, not the pro one. So anyway, I'm going to do an amazing customization to make it suitable for my website and the niche. So now we need to go to pages, click on all pages. So we will find some of new pages like this one, or 3-1 is not mine. So let's click log, and you see here not mine. So what we can do, just delete or click on the trash, and I will delete them permanently later on. So here, for doing some customization, I think it's kinda necessary to change the footer, and you can add your copyright. For example, here on customizing footer, scroll down until you will find copyright. So replace the footer text, this one. So I'm going to add mine. So here, copyright 2025 emotion crew. So what I'm doing here, I can change, for example, like center, left, right. I will just keep it on the center. And here, if you want to change the color of the background, so not right now, I will click on publish. So here is publish it. So here, check, I will just refresh website, and here is the copyright has changed. So very nice to change copyright. We can do all of the stuff to change address, about us, anything else later on, guys. So guys, hope you found the website, hope you found the video very useful. Please like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.